back with another video. All in no. What's up, gang? So back with another video. All in no. So the title of this video is going to be how to make advanced intro. Forget to smash a like and subscribe and comment below all of them so like I sing to the video one time. Alright guys, so I'm going to pick art and I press and look for cut. When I press cut, you press person, right? But you see that ad come up and you see it crop out for yourself. As you can see, when you load up, you press save and you get a sticker there. Right guys, so once I'm going to add my 4 photos, I adjust it to how I like it. As you can see, I'm adjusting it. Then after press layout or background, you're gonna remove the white background, remove it. As you can see, you see how nice it come out, right? Right, so I go on CapCut and I add the photo. As you can see, then I go on bling. Then I add twinkle number 1. As you can see the effect, then star rise. Right, the mini stars, so you see how nice that is. So it's twinkle stars, and then we go to camera shake. See that shake effect? We can go to details. I'm gonna be adding fairy dust. Okay, we're gonna have that whole fairy dust effect. It come out real nice, that's all I could see. Then we're gonna add a photo. Add the photo. I'm gonna press adjusting, then press animating. And then I was going optical the last background photo, right? Animated. I press which one I like, which one shake. Then add a next photo, just it, animated. I'm doing the same thing, but I was still not sure what I was doing, so now I'm showing. So if you don't want to think, just remove the background. Press animated, right? And I'll select which animation I like. So you see that effect come out real good, right? And then I went on details to get a butterfly effect. Then I went on lightning to get a lightning. I adjust the lightning so it could be pink. You can see what's on this, what's on this, what's on that. Yeah, boss, eh? Watch out. Right, so I have pressed the follow button for Instagram, and then I press Chrome key or something, so right, and then after I adjust it, and then I went on sticker, add the butterfly effect. As you can see, then I add the photo, then I press remove background, then I add an animation, you see? And then I enter the Instagram name, add an effect. The type of effect, watch how nice that is. Then I'll add a animation, zoom in, I'll try to figure it out. Guys, so I added my background photo and a video. Then I added a photo. Then I fix it now, press animated and choose which one I like. As you can see, which one nice. Then I add a next photo. See that? Then I select background, remove background. Then I crop the picture to my liking. Press animated. Then I add a sticker. If you see how to look real nice to make it look like come from video. Then I add bling, as you can see, and add a few effects from it to look really nice. Then I go on details to add the flower effect. Then I add the logo and add the effect to it. Then I type the person name. Then I add the effect. So I add a photo, go on bling, add galaxy, as you can see. Then go on trending, camera shake. Then I add a video effect, which is lightning. Then adjust the glow. Then adjust the color to a yellow one, which one nice to come out really awesome. Now I press love and you see the heart effects really look real good. Right, so I add a photo, then I set a picture, then I add a effect, as you can see. Then I add the next photo, remove the background, add an animation effect, as you can see. It's on nice. Like this video, that's it guys. Get a shake on the place. Get a shake on the place. Get a shake, get a shake, get a shake. Work for the beer.